Okay, Foresters, a little quick update on the greenhouse. It's starting to get a little chilly at night, so we rolled the plastic down, and the wind's blowing around even when we put the concrete blocks on it. So we were planning on doing this, but we wanted to see just how bad the wind would blow it. So we went to Walmart and bought a 20-foot roll of Velcro, and we cut them into strips 2 or 3 inches long, and as you can see here, we put them on the sides, and that stopped all the flapping, and it's holding it against the wood real good. So all we did was cut off the pieces, split it down the center so we could Velcro them to each other, pulled the sticky tape off of one side, and stuck it to the wood. Now we used the rough side against the wood and the soft side on the plastic.
Move that wire.
So you can see a
Thank
little
you.
better here.
Yeah, just so I can...
So what I've been doing is I did this all the way around. Peel this back.
What are you doing, Daddy?
We're showing people how we Velcroing then I just pull it tight and rub it down. How we doing the Velcro for the greenhouse?
Say hi.
Hi.
That's Braden, my son, making a cameo in our video. Again, pull it tight, rub it down, and it's sticking pretty good. Pull it tight. All right, I'll pull the rest of these off for this side, and I'll show you what else we were doing. All right, we're doing the last 3 here. Or the last, however many we got here.
We got to trim off that excess.
Yep, that's what we're going to show them next in the video. Up. And
Here you go, Daddy.
need the scissors. Oh, thank you, big boy. Such a big helper.
Get one more for that side. Squawking at something. Always squawking at something.
And the last one. Now all we got left is the trimming.
Tripping.
Here, Braden. And there's the greenhouse, sides all nice and secure.
Yeah, no longer flapping in the wind. Not
Real
bad.
easy to do, simple.
Where will I put this stuff?
I know, I'm kind of worried about that one corner right there.
I think it'll be fine.
Alright. There's all the guineas again.
All right, well, grow something for your family.
Go start in your fanny.
Alright, if you like that video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. We also are on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And we also have a Facebook group where you can post your own pictures and also make comments and help other people grow something for your family.